Hello students. Till yesterday's last class, we have seen uh, conditions for destructive interference, constructive interference, that are analytical conditions, then theoretical conditions, and phase difference conditions. All three conditions we have seen. Now today we will see Young's double slit experiment. Young's double slit experiment. Now Young's is scientist, so apostrophe S. So this one is one slit, this one is another slit. Here it is a source S. The source moon light ithali suppose. This is a screen. Okay. This is slit 1 S1. This one is slit 2. Now this is primary source. This one is primary source. And these two slits act as a secondary sources. Now for this screen, these two sources, these two slits म्हणजे छिद्र किंवा फट, मराठीमध्ये छिद्र किंवा फट, these two acts as secondary sources. Now suppose at point P they interfere. At point P they interfere, that we have assumed. Now what are the assumptions? The distance between the slits and the screen. This one is screen. This one is screen. The distance between slits and screen is capital D. Is capital D. The distance between the slits. The distance between the slits is small d. This is small d, and this one is capital D. Now suppose from the center point, that is midpoint of these two slits, from here the point P is at a distance x. Suppose which is at a distance x, and this distance is d by 2. This distance is d by 2. Why? Because the total distance is d. Distance between the slits is d, hence this distance is d by 2, and as well as this distance is d by 2, and this distance is x. Suppose this point is m, this point is n. So what is Pm? Pm is what? Or Pn is what? Pn. Pn काय असेल? Pn काय असेल? x इथून इथपर्यंत x plus d by 2. So x plus d by 2. कळलं का? Now Pm किती असेल? Pm किती असेल इथपर्यंत? एवढा हा x आहे. This x minus d by 2. ह्या x मधनं हा d by 2 मायनस झाला तर एवढं डिस्टन्स मिळणार, x minus d by 2. So Pm is x plus d by 2, Pn is x plus d by 2, and Pm is x minus d by 2. X plus d by 2 and x minus d by 2. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem for the two triangles. कोणते कोणते दोन ट्रायंगल आहेत? The first triangle, for the triangle S1 P आणि M. S1 P and M. S1 P and M. In this triangle, S1P is the hypotenuse. S1P square is equal to S1M square plus PM square. Plus PM square. See, S1PM. S1PM. In this triangle, S1P is the hypotenuse, is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to PM square. S1M square plus PM square. Now what is the value of S1P? S1P, keep it as it is. S1P square is equal to S1M. S1M. S1M है क्या है? Capital D. So it will be capital D square plus PM square. PM अपन आत्ताच फाइंड केलं. What is PM? PM is x minus d by 2. म्हणजे हे आलं PM. That is x minus d by 2 the whole square. So it will be x minus d by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now what is S2P? Tell me what is S2P? Or we can say in triangle S2PM. In triangle S2PM. इक्वेशन visible है क्या? In triangle S2PM. S2PM. In this triangle, which is hypotenuse? Again, S2P hypotenuse. So apply Pythagoras theorem. S2p square is equal to, again S2n square plus pn square. This is Pythagoras theorem. And what is S2n? S2 to n. S2 पासून n चा अंतर किती आहे तर कॅपिटल D आहे. So it will be d square. S2p square is equal to d square plus pn. P पासून n पर्यंतचा अंतर. That will be x plus d by 2. हे x plus d by 2. That is x plus d by 2. So it will be x plus d by 2 square. This one is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now I will subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 मधून equation 2 subtract करूया. So what we will get? See, तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पॉज करून ती फिगर ड्रॉ करून घ्या. What will happen? S2p square minus S1p square. This will be on LHS. याच्यामधून हे गेलं. Now on RHS, d square plus x plus d by 2 whole square minus हे वाला d square minus x minus d by 2 the whole square. म्हणजे this equation minus this equation असं केलं. So इथं plus d square minus d square cancel. Open this bracket. What is a plus b the whole square? It will be a square plus b square म्हणजे d by 2 चा square, that will be d square by 4 plus 2ab म्हणजे 2x d by 2. 2 into x into d by 2. इथं 2 cancel. Minus हे minus sign. इथं या bracket मध्ये काय येणार? x चा square again b square म्हणजे d square by 4 आणि 2ab म्हणजे काय 2 into x into d by 2. So इथं 2 cancel. Okay. So now see, I will open this bracket with the negative sign. It will become x square plus d square by 4 plus xd minus x square minus d square by 4 plus xd. So plus x square minus x square cancel, plus d square by 4 minus d square by 4 cancel. Xd plus xd is 2xd. Now here see s2p square minus s1p square, that is a square minus b square. So what is the identity? It is a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. Now we know, see, in theoretical conditions we have assumed that the distance between the slits is very small. The distance खूप small है. And compared to this, the distance between slit and the screen is very large. म्हणजे d is very very large than small d. This is we have assumed in the theoretical conditions, the necessary conditions for the interference. मग हे जर जास्त असेल आणि हे जर कमी असेल, then this S1 and this one is S2 and this P. So S1P is nearly equal to S2P. S1P is nearly equal to S2P. Now see, जर दोन्ही इक्वल असतील तर त्यांची जी सम आहे ती त्यांच्या एवढीच त्याच्या डबल होणार. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक नंबर आहे 80.1 आणि एक नंबर आहे 80.2. What will be their sum? It will be 160.3. Now 160.3 is nearly double of this. याचा हा डबल आहे. म्हणजे काय, याला जर आपण 2 ने डिवाइड केलं, तर what will happen? तर it will be 80.15. Now 80.15 हा याच्या पण जवळचा आणि याच्या पण जवळचा आहे, कारण हा आहे 80.1, हा आहे 80.2 आणि हा आहे 80.1 म्हणू शकतो. 1, 2 आणि हा 1.5. Now that means when you take sum of two numbers which are very close to each other, S1P is nearly equal to S2P, then their sum is double of that. So we can say it is the double. and S1P, S2P, these are nearly equal to D. हे कुणाच्या इक्वल आहेत? हे D च्या इक्वल आहेत, because this distance is very small and this capital D is very large, so S1P and S2P are nearly equal to D. So we can say this is a D, this one is D and this one is D. दोघे nearly D च्या इक्वल. पण इथं आपण मायनस करताना याची सबस्ट्रॅक्शन 0 करायला नको. का नको करायला? आत्ताच आपण बघितलं, एक होता 80.1, दूसरा होता 80.2. जर सबस्ट्रॅक्शन केली तर एक्झॅक्टली 0 येत नाही. सो इट विल बी 2.2 - 1, इट विल बी 0.1. सबस्ट्रॅक्शन एक्झॅक्टली 0 होत नाही, त्यामुळे S2P आणि S1P आपण 0 नाही करणार, पण S2P आणि S1P ला dd अज्युम करून इट विल बी 2d. सो इट विल बी 2d S2P minus S1P. आपण याला असंच ठेवू, S2P minus S1P. नाव या 2d ने इकडे डिवाइड होणार, सो S2P minus S1P is equal to 2xd upon 2 capital D. Now see what is meant by S2P and S1P. S1P is the path traveled by the first wave and S2P is the path traveled by the second wave. So we can say S2P and S1P is the difference of the paths traveled by the two waves. So this is called path difference. This is called path difference delta x, which is nothing but path difference. Path difference. So delta x is the numerator, 2 cancel. It will be x d by d. So remember, path difference in Young's double slit experiment is x d by d. So this is the derivation of Young's double slit experiment, where Young's is what? Scientist name. ठीक है? मध्ये मध्ये वीडियो पॉज करून लिहित चला. And hope you are studying well. Keep studying. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.